and welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I am Wine and Dip. So today I'm really excited to bring you this really cute mani collab with a bunch of really talented ladies. There's 12 days of manis. It's called Santa Sends Manis, and Julie from dipnailsbyjewz, she coordinated it. And the person who had me was Trish from Trisha's Nail Inspo. So Trisha was really generous. She sent over 4 powders and she sent over OG dip powder, which I was really excited about because I never used OG dip powder before and I always wanted to. So also shout out to Erin from OG dip powders for giving her a really good deal. I'm really lucky. I got totally spoiled when Trish sent over these 4 powders. And the last powder that I have is Papa Jack. And this powder I don't use in the mani because it doesn't really go with the theme I was going for. But I did use this really pretty glitter in a mani for my mom. So you can head over to Instagram and check out that picture so you can see what I did there. The other thing that she sent was some foils and some really pretty like glitter that looks like snow, and then some decals. These were like 3D-ish kind of snowflakes. They're really pretty. And then also some other like blue and white decals, so it went with the other blue and white colors. And then I kind of went quickly through the colors, but the colors were Ice Queen, Animals, the glitter, and then the blue color is If the Shoe Fits. So I'm using my Vividip liquids today, and I actually am showing you my non-dominant hand. I did my dominant hand I did my non-dominant hand with my dominant hand and it went fine. It was just kind of like my practice hand, and then I decided to show me doing my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand in the video. So right now I'm using Ice Queen on my thumb and on my ring finger, and I'm just putting one base of Ice Queen down so then I can put the glitter down. I'm really excited about this glitter. Wait until you see it. It is stunning and really easy to work with. So I was really excited when Julie reached out to me to do this collab because it's such an honor to for her to think of me. I was honored, and then for her to think of me and then have the rest of the really talented ladies that she picked to be in this collab, I was just absolutely floored and honored, and I was like jumping up and down excited. So thank you so much. This was such a cute idea. We used this app called, or not an app, I guess it's really a website called Elfster. So everyone went on and put in like their likes and dislikes, and then there was some questions that you answered, and then it randomly picked your person, and then you got to see who your person was. So as you're watching this, I'm day 7, so my person actually was Bre, and she was on day 6. So I can't wait to see what she comes up with. I'm pre-recording this, so we'll see what she comes up with what I sent her, and I hope that everyone really likes it because I thought it was super cute. I was really happy with what Trisha sent me. So all in all, it was a really fun experience, and it was a really unique way to do like a little Secret Santa / mani collab. So I'll let you watch this application. I'm doing a scrub ombre on my pointer finger and on my pinky, and then on my middle finger I'm going to do the blue so I can put on a snowflake. So I'll let you watch me finish this up. I do nail magic through the parts that are repetitive, so I show you the first dip of each nail, and then I'll nail magic through the additional dips. These powders were so beautiful. I really was obsessed with this mani. So I'll be back when I have more to say. I'm back again. I thought I'd pop back in and say that everyone who's in the collab will be linked in the description box, so you can check out everyone's mani, see who got who in the Secret Santa, and then enjoy everyone's creations with their Secret Santa collab items. Right now I just wanted to also explain what I'm doing here. I basically went out of frame, dipped my index finger in clear, and now I'm adding in some more blue powder into the scrub ombre. I'm doing it very, very lightly because I don't want to smudge the clear, but I'm doing this so I can get a little bit more blue on my nail where I want it. So I will give a shout out to Carole Anette, who is also in this collab, because I learned this from her. So I will put a card in so you can see what she did with her scrub ombre. So if you wanted to recreate this look, she has some really good tips. So now I'm just kind of clear capping, and then I'm going to be using the glitter called Animal. For the glitter, I end up just doing one dip of glitter. It is so good. Definitely one of my favorite glitters I've ever worked with. It's gorgeous. So you'll see me just do the one dip of glitter, some glitter placement on my ring finger, and then I'll be back when it's time to talk about some wine. I'm back and ready to chat about some wine while I'm clear capping this nail, and then you'll also see me activate kind of half off camera, whoops, and then you'll see the picture of the wine. So today I am reviewing a wine called Arena Rosé, and it's by Blackbird Vineyards, and that's in California, where San Francisco Bay meets the Sacramento River Delta. So this was a really delicious rosé. It was a slightly effervescent, and I got the winemaker's note from wine.com, and they say aromas of strawberry, pear, and tangerine on the nose. Citrus and stone fruit expressions bring a soft attack, turning to zest on the mid palate, and then a point of bitterness on the back of the palate pushes to the finish of cola, cherry, and lemon. Really, what that means to me is that, depending on where the wine sits in your mouth, you get a different kind of feel for it. I will say that I think I got more of like a citrus note when I smelled it, but it really did have a cherry finish, which is extremely rare for a rosé. I've never really had a rosé that had that type of fruit finish. So that was really interesting. I would really recommend this. And also, you know, rosé, it's a red grape and the skins are not in contact with the grape as long as it is for a red wine. And that's what makes it rosé. So this one was delicious. I loved it. We got it from Splash Wines. And now back to nails. I just put the snowflake on my middle finger. I put a layer of the sticky base down, my handy dandy sticky base. I think I use it in like every video. And then I put down the snowflake and then I let that dry, and now I'm clear encapsulating the snowflake with my base. So then after I'm done clear encapsulating it, I will activate and buff it a little bit, and then it will be ready for top coat. So I leave in putting in some top coat and some cuticle oil. The cuticle oil I use is Poolside Ice, and I'm obsessed with it. And I'm really sad that Sweetie Pop beat out Poolside Ice for Candi Skincare Facebook poll, so I'm still not over it. I've been talking about it for a while now. So I just want to thank you for watching this mani today. I hope that you like it, and I hope that you like the collab. I was really happy to be part of it. Thank you again, Julie, for including me. And have a great day, and I will catch you next time.